Hello! In this video I'm going to show you how to make a dog with a towel. It's very easy, and if you pay attention to my instructions you will be able to do it, okay? So follow my video and my instructions and do the dog that I do with the towel, okay? See you later.
Well, what you have to do is spread the towel on the bed and roll one side to the middle. Now the other side, roll it to the middle as well, like this. Now hold it like this, bend it, okay, and now stretch the ends of the rolls, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now with one hand hold 2 and with the other hand the other 2, like this. Now change it and put it upside down. This will be the body. This is the body of the dog, okay? And now we're going to do the head. Take the small towel, spread it on the bed as well, bend it like this, take one end and extend it the other one. Now join it with the other. Now fold this corner, bend this side, the other side, and now we're going to roll this side this way, one, and roll the other one to the middle, join them, okay. Now hold it with one hand, and this is one ear and the other ear, 1 and 2 ears. These are the dog's ears, okay, and this will be the nose. Look, this is the nose of the dog. Put it on the body, okay, and now we've got it, body and head with its ears, nose, head, legs, okay, the body. To finish, we will put 2 thumbtacks as eyes and a button as a nose. Now we've got it.
Like it? You can do it with the help of your parents. Take the towels, do it, and then take a photo and send it to me if you want, okay, so I can see it. Goodbye.